I have 8 family members coming to stay with me this weekend. I've got my mom and stepdad coming in tonight and everyone else comes in the morning. I get to see all my nieces and my nephew. This is a very last minute trip that they booked to come meet the puppy and just spend this weekend together watching movies and hanging out, and I gotta get my shit together. I gotta get my nails done today. I have to wash my hair. I have to give Boomer a bath. I have to order groceries. I have to make casseroles. It's gonna be a busy day, so let's get ready to host my family together.
Good morning, I look like shit.
Hi, baby. I love you. Yes, I do. I love you.
Oh my goodness, who just woke up from their nap?
Oh my goodness, someone's gotta go potty. I'm gonna go get my nails done, dude. Sleepy boy. He's snoring.
Hey, Joe.
Yeah.
I'm going through all my candles right now. I'm gonna leave a pile over here. You just take whatever you want.
Cutie!
Nope, plastic.
You are so cute. I love you.
Your food's coming, Boomer.
Are you ready to eat, baby? Look what I've got for you. Okay.
It's basically on the edge of the carpet, you know?
No, go like an inch and a half, 2 inches that way.
1,
Yep,
2,
3. Oh. This way a little bit, 1 inch in. So we are in the middle of a project right now, getting these custom built-ins put into our family room, but we had them pause it since our family is coming into town and it's the holidays, and then they will resume the project in a week from now at the beginning of January.
Lale, why are you so cute? What are you doing?
Shake. Good girl. Give me a high five.
High five! That's a good girl.
I have to move these 3 Ralph Laurens.
I just want to catch a vibe real quick.
Got a vibe. I need coffee creamer for my mom. There's coffee creamer right here. It expires tomorrow.
Yeah, you can toss it.
Come.
Sure.
Hi, Boomer. Hi.
He's gonna go right through that.
I know.
Okay. Let's go see her.